I want to show you something. This is 6 months of binary options. This is 30 days of the S&P 500 minis futures with the IOTS protocol. Same discipline, completely different results. Here's why. With binary options, listen, you're stuck with fixed payment structure. The broker controls your max gain. You can't cut losses, win or lose the full amount. You also have no institutional order flow. You're trading against a platform, not with the market. The market you see is synthetic. No real price action to read it all. Why ES Futures is different. You are CME regulated, transparent, institutional volume. You can use 1,000 tick chart, 2,000 tick chart. You can use tick charts. They show real order flow. What the institutions are doing, this is very important. Your losses are cuttable. Your winners are scalable. I came up with an ATM strategy. I call it the C3 grab 2. You couldn't run this ATM strategy in binary options because you can't manage exits. The IOTS protocol applied. Listen to this. Quick visual. The KP system identify a key entry point on a live 1,000 tick chart. In binary options, you're guessing direction. In the ES futures with the IOTS, you're reading what the market is already telling you. Show the discipline difference. Systematic risk management versus hope-based fixed expiry. So here's the deal. To get into futures, NinjaTrader has a free platform. You also can, if you already have a really good system, you can get right into prop firms and start with Take Profit Trader and be able to get daily payouts after you pass the challenge and get past the buffer. So if you are in need of any more help on your trading journey, all right, all the information I'm going to put in the description below. If you're ready to make that switch, I put together a NinjaTrader beginner guide. It's free, all right, it's linked below. And if you want to trade in the IOTS gang, hey, just visit www.jdhider.com and sign up for our free 14-day trial. And I'll see you in the next video. As always, my name is JD, and I wish you increase on the sudden.